This is an ESG Video Capsule. IT insights in 140 seconds or less.
It's interesting to watch the evolving global regulatory environment and try to understand how our regulations affect global EFSS adoption. This year, in our IT spending intentions research, we asked Western European respondents about the impact of NSA's Prism program on their willingness to store sensitive data in US-based cloud computing vendor services. And now, specifically we asked, and it's important that you understand that, in light of the NSA spying scandal, otherwise known as Prism, does your organization have any restrictions or policies against using the services of a US-based cloud computing vendor or provider as it relates to storing sensitive data in US-based facilities? As you can see, almost half of our respondents answered yes. If you were to break this down by country, though, you'd see significant differences. For example, in Germany, we saw almost 60% say yes, but in the UK, it was under 40%. So it's important to understand cultural differences, but really, what are the overall implications for EFSS vendors? Certainly having a European data center becomes more and more important, but so does ensuring that you, the service provider, can't access the customer's data under any circumstances, no matter where the data is stored. Now, the issue here is that if the service provider has the data and it has the encryption keys, the service provider can still get at the data even if it's stored outside of the US. So for EFSS vendors, it means not just having that European data center, but it means encrypting the data and letting the end user somehow control the encryption keys. Now, the combination of these two things should really go far in helping to alleviate the fears of companies based outside of the USA in working with US-based cloud service providers.